This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're in the form, now act. Open the theme panel by clicking the palette icon and pick a base font style. Google offers a few preset families. Once done, adjust header image and background color to influence perceived size. If the presets won't meet your needs, prepare to use an add-on or embed approach. Make that decision now, because the next steps diverge depending on whether you stay native or apply custom CSS via a third-party tool. If you chose native tweaks, pick a bolder or larger-looking font under theme font style. Larger families can improve readability. If you need exact sizes, install an add-on such as Formfacade, authorize it, then open its styling panel to add CSS rules like font size, 16px for question text. Alternatively, embed the form in a web page and add a stylus sheet targeting. Freebird Form Viewer View items. This lets you set precise size. Complete by previewing the form on desktop and mobile. Make sure font sizes scale and that spacing looks right. If styles don't appear, clear your browser cache, reauthorize the add-on, or resave the embedded page. Add-ons sometimes need permission refresh. As a final fallback, create a header image with the exact typography you want and upload it. Make sure to keep accessibility in mind and provide readable text alternatives when you use images for type.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.